Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux with the Robot operating system. This is the Raspberry Pi 2, as you will understand, together with a module for serial connection on top of it. So this is the serial cable towards my laptop, band cable and power cable and network adapter for VNC. Then going here, other end of the band cable with breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik. So fischertechnik LED, phototransistor, motor with propeller, and then some ordinary electronics. With ROS, the objective is to control or read from separate entities, and that gives control. Here it doesn't work yet, and that is mainly due to a voltage level. So on the GPIO, general purpose input output, from the Raspberry Pi you have to have a voltage threshold where you have to comply to, and this voltage divider doesn't comply to it. It turned out last time. So I will try to fix it with 2 potmeters, see if that works out, but I have to measure first. So let's see how that works out. Alright, now my idea was to use, instead of my usual Android tablet, to show some nodes, use a different computer with the streaming, with the video streaming, but it doesn't work, and now it turns out that this is very slow, extremely slow. And I'm doing this via VLC and not via GUVC view. So I will start this one again. Let me see if that is going to work out quickly. Answer is yes, it works out very quickly. Good. So the point is now, with some brighter light, that I have here 2 potmeters, and in schematics these are 2 potmeters. And from regular basis, turn the potmeter here as well, and then you know how to measure the voltage that you're putting on it. I have not yet connected this part, because I first want to know what the actual voltage is before I glue in another port on the Raspberry Pi. So that's the objective for now. I have right here a wire between the current voltage divider and this one. So whatever is on here will be on here. So let's start everything and see whatever comes of it, if that works out, that is. And let's see if I can change the camera angle a bit. Okay, now you can see everything, including the motor. So let's engage control, phototransistor, LED, fischertechnik LED, and this one, including the motor, is on a different PC, so I'll have to show it right there. Alright, so this is not on the Android tablet but on a regular laptop, but it is still the third desktop. Starting the red LED, and I see it working, but the streaming webcam doesn't work for some reason, so this is how it should work, except that this is very slow and I don't see the propeller run, so I'll have to check the connection. But anyway, this is a much better view than with the Android tablet, I have to admit. So this is working. Now for the rest. Alright, so back on the first computer again, and in this case with an oscilloscope instead of multimeter, which makes it quite a bit easier. So now I will be just holding my Android smartphone and create some light. And just like that. So if I now hold it over the phototransistor, something should happen, with the emphasis on should. So the motor keeps on running nicely. But the top three lines are now, let me explain a bit. This is what comes from the phototransistor. This is the original divided voltage, and this one is the voltage after the plot meters. Question is, does it make a difference? So far it does make a difference, but not enough. So now I have to find a small screwdriver, a fitting screwdriver that is, to make that work. So I'm turning it. Turning this one as well as far as possible. But what is what and how? Okay, let me do this again. And I don't think this has any result whatsoever. Because in this terminal I don't see anything. At least not what I like to see right now. And no voltage change on the oscilloscope as well. Or either. So although it was a nice idea, so far it is not really working out. So what to do and how to do it. And then it occurs to me that I've been thinking wrong, because a plot meter, which is a variable resistor, is a voltage divider in itself. So while this is a discrete voltage divider with two resistors, this is a voltage divider as well. So this is where the voltage comes in, and now I realize I probably make a mistake because this is just power. So what I need to do is uncouple this somehow, because yes, this is to ground and this is to ground, but this is not to ground. I can't have two to grounds. So this one has to go, and then from here I have just another one here. So now this goes to ground, and this is not entirely correct, but it will have to do for now. And this as well. So now I have power from a phototransistor, I have ground, and this is the input. So that should work. Now going here, I already removed one of the two potmeters. Will it work? Not quite sure, but let me quickly test once again using my smartphone. And do I see some signal change on the oscilloscope? No, really. Nope. So I have to rethink it again. I did make a start with scilab again, and of course then this potmeter can go. This one can go here with the strange effect that it repositions itself, which I do not like. So and then this one has to go to, no, this one should go to ground, or come from ground, and this one cannot go to ground. So something is quite off here. I have to figure out how this is working properly. And I think I'll leave it at that. And that's it for now. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation by making a donation via either PayPal, IBAN, or becoming a patron. And depending on the pledge you make, you can have your name mentioned on my website or with my videos, and or see under this video for my website and more information, or wait for the final segment. This is going to be continued, obviously. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.